All right, this is what I got going on. I got these valleys here, these ditches that I've dug, and they seem to be working on this end. This always gets backed up right here. And that's because that's clogged up. I'm fixing to fix that. I need to bust that little drain and open that up so that'll drain. I think the only way to fix that's going to be bust this concrete up. See, there's a pipe running under there. And it feeds right there. And it's clogged up. It stays clogged up. And it's not even raining that hard. My little ditches are working. When it rains hard, it comes from that backside.